Keeping our food safe from harmful germs is a race against time. If a batch of lettuce is contaminated with Escherichia coli, finding it quickly can prevent an outbreak. Fast detection means fewer people get sick and helps pinpoint the source efficiently. In hospitals, rapid identification of infections allows doctors to choose the right treatment and save lives. The challenge? Pathogens are invisible and often present in tiny amounts, hidden in complex samples. We need methods that are both fast and sensitive, able to find a single germ in a sea of other material. At the heart of this revolution are some of the smallest materials imaginable: nanoparticles. For decades, finding bacteria meant growing them in a lab, a process that takes days. This method is reliable but too slow for urgent situations and requires skilled staff and expensive equipment. Some bacteria are hard to grow, leading to missed detections. Faster methods like PCR exist, but they still take hours and need clean samples, making them less practical for complex foods or environments. Traditional techniques are slow, costly, and not always effective. Scientists needed a faster, more sensitive and affordable solution. Enter nanotechnology, thinking small to solve big problems. Nanoparticles are materials just a few nanometers wide, thousands of times smaller than a human hair. At this scale, they have unique properties that make them perfect for detecting germs. Scientists can attach detector molecules to nanoparticles, turning them into tiny, highly sensitive germ hunters. These tests can spot even a handful of pathogens, cutting detection time from days to minutes or hours. Nanoparticles work directly in complex samples, skipping lengthy purification steps. They can be made from materials like gold or iron, each offering special abilities: magnetism, fluorescence, or chemical reactivity. By combining these features, scientists are building powerful new tools for rapid, accurate pathogen detection. Nanoparticles are revolutionizing how we find germs. Magnetic nanoparticles, often made of iron oxide, make sample preparation fast and easy. Coated with molecules that latch onto specific germs, these nanoparticles are mixed into samples like milk or blood. A magnet pulls out the nanoparticles and the germs they've captured, leaving everything else behind. This process, called immunomagnetic separation, takes minutes instead of hours. Nanoparticles also power rapid identification. In mass spectrometry, they help create a unique chemical fingerprint for each pathogen. These fingerprints can even reveal antibiotic resistance, guiding doctors to the right treatment. In food plants, this means contamination can be caught before products reach stores. Speed and precision from nanoparticles protect both consumers and companies. Nanoparticles are transforming medical imaging too. Iron nanoparticles act as MRI contrast agents, homing in on infections and making them visible as dark spots in scans. Gold nanoparticles boost the sensitivity of tests like immuno-PCR, amplifying signals so even tiny traces of pathogens are detected. These methods allow for early, accurate diagnosis, sometimes 1,000 times more sensitive than standard tests. Doctors can see infections deep inside the body and respond quickly. Nanoparticles make invisible threats visible. Early detection saves lives. Nanoparticles now enable tests that detect multiple pathogens at once. Multiplex detection. Quantum dots, which glow in different colors, can identify Escherichia coli, Salmonella, and Listeria in a single drop of water. Nanoparticle-based sensors are being built into food packaging, changing color if contamination occurs. This gives consumers a clear warning and adds a new layer of safety. Nanoparticles have solved the biggest problems of traditional methods: speed, sensitivity, and affordability. Companies like Bioparticles supply the building blocks for these breakthroughs. As threats evolve, nanoparticles will remain at the forefront of food safety and disease detection. The science of the small is making a huge difference in keeping us all safe.